just turn the thing on. Wow. Yeah, trip the fan. Yeah. Come on, do that again. Come on. It's raining. And it's absolutely chucking it down. It was just being thunder just a moment ago. And again. Wow. I don't know if anyone saw that. Whee! Wow! It's hail! Wow, look at this. Wow. Don't know if you can hear that on the camera. That is absolutely belting it. It's just not the TV out. Wow. Oh, I got one like already. Thank you so much. It is absolutely belting it down here in Milton Keynes. And you may have heard, it is, there you go, he's doing it again. It is chopping it down. We have got hailstones. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. I don't know if you can hear that. Sorry about the camera lighting. Look at that! Whoa! Wow, look at that! My goodness. It is just topped that down. Wow, look, it looks like it's snowing again. Wow. Actually, let me show you what it's like at the front of the house. And it's just tripped the fan as well in the bathroom. Hang on, I'm going to Richard's room. Look at that. In a matter of 5 minutes. That is crazy. Look. Where did this come from? What the hell? It's just started thundering. And we've just got this. Wow. What it's like in your end, guys, because this is crazy. What's going on? My goodness, what is going on? I don't know if you can actually hear that. Hang on. That's what I actually hear. Don't know if you can hear that. Wow. It's absolutely crazy. What is going on? Sorry guys, let me go back to the other side. What's this about? Blimey. Anyone know? Oh my god. My goodness. Oh, it's calmed down now. Whew. Where's this come from, guys? I'd like to explain what is going on here. TV looks like it's come back. Oh my god. Yeah, that was crazy. I don't know if you saw that. That is strange. Any comments? No, I've had no comments yet. But yeah, where did that come from? And it's 4:15 in the afternoon here in Milton Keynes. And it's just been thundering just now. And then within 5 minutes we've had hail. I don't know if you saw that. But that is absolutely crazy. What's it like at your end, guys? I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what's going on. Wow. It looks like it's just snowed in front of us. I can't believe that. Unreal, that. That is completely unreal. That is completely unreal, guys. I don't know what the hell was going on there. We just had a thunderstorm and it belted it with hail, and we've got this. My goodness. What has happened? Looks like Mother Nature and God are having an argument again. Sorry. I don't know what that was about. My goodness. I have no idea what that was about. I'm going to put the camera back down there. My goodness. Anyone like to explain what just happened there? Wow. crazy. Oh my goodness. What is going on with this weather? Anyone know? Blimey. Yeah, so in the past, as soon as I started this video, within 5 minutes of starting it, there was Thunderstorm for 5 minutes and it just belted it down with hail. And yeah, and it looks like it's just snowed right in front of us. I can't believe that. That is unreal. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, it sounds like they're having an argument up there. Mother Nature and God are definitely having a fight or argument. But yeah, I have no idea what is going on. Sorry about the lighting. But yeah, confused. Really confused. As soon as that lightning bolt was like bang, it actually turned on the bathroom extractor fan. Unbelievable. Can't believe it's actually done that. Yeah. Must have hit something. So yeah. We'll sit here and see what else happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Definitely hear it. So yeah, if this goes on for the night, that would be good to watch, guys. That would be really good to watch. That would be fantastic. If we can get a thunderstorm during the night, that would be good. The whole screen would be lit up like a Christmas tree. So yeah, but that was just crazy. Within 5 minutes, that was. That was unreal. That never seen weather like that before. But we'll see. We'll continue filming and see what happens. My goodness. Hi, welcome for joining. We've had a thunderstorm and then we've had hail within 5 minutes. So, what's it like at your end, guys? And I'm here in Milton Keynes, so just wondering how's it at your end. So, yeah, let me show you. We've had rain and thunder, and then we've had hail just like this within 5 minutes of the video starting. There we go. Look at that. How weird is that? And the clouds do not look very happy either. So yeah, very strange going on. So yeah, very strange going on. It's all quieting down now. Very quick thunderstorm though, very quick, within 5 minutes. Oh wow, it's calmed down again now. Yeah, where did that come from, guys? I don't know where that came from. dear. Yeah, so now it's calmed down, guys. Wow. The first 5 minutes was a complete thunderstorm and hail absolutely hammering it down, and it looked like it was snowing at the same time. So yeah, we'll keep this running for a little while and see if we get any more. But feel free to make your comments and give us those likes if you like. Don't have to. But yeah, we'll see what's going on out here. But yeah, that's not a really nice cloud right in front of us in the horizon there. Sorry about the camera, just losing a bit of focus there. But yeah, that is looking very nasty. Oh, there's a plane just going past. Yeah, plane going past in the sky. So yeah, how's it at your end, guys? Because I'm here in Milton Keynes and it topped it down. It was crazy within 5 minutes of starting the video. Crazy. So yeah, that cloud does not look very happy. So yeah, something going on with Mother Nature, and God is obviously having an argument up there. So yeah, something is going on. It's calmed down a bit now. I know it's been a bit windy and raining all day, all night. And now we've had this strong wind, rain, and now we've had a thunderstorm. And it wasn't rain we saw, it was actually hail. And then as soon as we had the hail, it actually just did this. Let me show you. Within 5 minutes of having the rain and thunder, and then it was just like this. I don't know how that's happened, but within 5 minutes of starting the video, after we had the first thunderstorm, it hammered it down, and then we had these little hail droplets just come down like mad. Let me show you the front of the house. You'll see what I mean. Right, let me go to the front of the house and you'll see what I mean. There we go. Now I'll explain that. Very weird that, look. That was the thunder and hail all at the same time within 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like. There we go. Oh yeah, sorry, the camera just went there, sorry. So yeah, I have no idea what happened. Everyone else was just looking out their window and I was like, what's going on, what's going on? And it was definitely a thunderstorm with hail, and we got this. Sorry about the lighting. Look at that. Never seen a thunderstorm and hail at the same time, and we've had that in 5 minutes. That is really weird. We've not had this before. Yeah, really peculiar that. Don't know. Really don't know. Sorry, I don't know if you can see the light in there. Yeah, weird. Anyone have any ideas how that's happened? Oh, 2 of you are on. Hi, you guys. So as I was just saying, after I started the video of this thunderstorm, within 5 minutes we had the thunderstorm, which was up there. Next minute, it then hailed it down at the same time. It really belted it. You can replay back this video a bit later on. You'll see all the flashes as well. But yeah, I've never seen hail and thunder at the same time, and it's covered it like this. Yeah, weird, guys, weird. Very weird, that. And it started at 4:15 in the afternoon, UK time. and it's now 4:35 in the afternoon, evening time, and it's settled down. There we go. Yeah. Very weird, that. Very weird. So that's the front of my house, as you can see. Weird. Very weird, guys, that. Very weird. Very strange. Right, let's go back to the other side of the house and see what's going on. I'll keep this rolling anyway, just in case we get any more. There we go. As I was saying, within 5 minutes of starting this video, we had thunderstorm and then hail, and it was just like this. Oh, there we go, it's starting again. Okay, let's put the camera in the cradle. Yeah, really weird, that. Sorry about the lighting. Yeah, weird. Look at that nasty cloud there. There we go. So yeah, really weird. Got a nice dark cloud approaching. Oh, we're going into 30 minutes now. Oh, got 2 likes. Thank you so much, guys. There we go. Sorry, the camera. There you go. That's what we got. Thunderstorm and hail all at the same time, and we got that. Sorry about the lighting. So yeah, very peculiar, guys. Very peculiar. But yeah, look at that cloud to the left of the screen, and it's just like approaching. It's just approaching from the right. But yeah, can't believe this. Thunderstorm and hail at the same time as soon as I started the video, within 5 minutes. That was crazy. And you've seen the evidence on the camera. I don't know how to explain that. I've never had that sort of weather before. Thundering and raining at the same time, yes, but not thundering within 5 minutes of hail. But you can replay this video back later on and you will see what I mean. Because I've got it all on camera, and hopefully you should see the flashes of the thunderstorm as well. There's no comments or anything. Yeah. Should we just keep it rolling? I've done 32 minutes now. Now it's calmed down. Yeah, it's really strange what has happened. And it's 40 minutes past 4 in the evening, and we've got that. So yeah, can't believe I got 2 likes. Unbelievable. So yeah. Any crazy weather you've got, guys, where you are? I'm here in Milton Keynes right now, so I don't know what the weather's like for you. So feel free to put your comments down if you like. There we go. That's what we got. Rain, thunderstorm and hail. That's what we got. There you go, there's a clear shot. There you go. Yeah, weird. Seems to be darker on the camera. Barely see it. Yeah, it's very dark on camera. I don't know if you can see that. But you can see those clouds keep shifting. Yeah, weird. Nearly 4:45. Wow. There we go, that's better. Ah, dear. So you've got half dark on the left and half bright on the right hand side of the screen. Very peculiar. So yeah, it's calmed down now. Oh dear. Yeah. So yeah, it's calmed down now, guys. After the 5 minutes of the video started, yeah. Rain with thunder, with hail. It just went crazy. Sorry about that, guys. Calm down now. Okay then guys, feel free to like, subscribe, make a comment, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye for now.